Building your own trash bin cleaning truck or trailer with Bin Wash Systems is the low-cost, effective way to get started in the bin cleaning business. We've built the hard part. We build the wash bay and hydraulic lifter. So all you have to do is secure it to your truck or trailer and connect your own equipment. Connecting your equipment to our system couldn't be easier. Simply plug in your power supply and attach your water lines. You'll be up and running in no time, and at a fraction of the cost of having someone else build your entire system for you. Companies that sell the really expensive bin cleaners don't want you to know how easy it is to put together your own system, and how much money you can save by doing so. You'll have the same cleaning power and efficiency at a much lower cost. There's no magic to it. The trash bin cleaning industry is one of the fastest growing businesses right now. You can operate part-time or full-time. It makes an excellent home-based business. Right now, there's a big opportunity for you to get into a fast-growing industry on the ground floor and secure the area you want to be in before someone else does. With our Territory Protection Guarantee, you're protected. We won't sell to anyone else in your territory. Bin Wash Systems makes putting together your own bin cleaning truck or trailer a simple and practical do-it-yourself project that's affordable. We provide unlimited support throughout your build. Access to our experience and help is only a phone call away. To learn more, visit our website, binwashsystems.com, or give us a call, toll-free, at 1-888-601-4666.